We're going to go over how to simplify a radical expression. And this isn't the normal simplifying that we're used to. You kind of have to have a good grasp on what a square root actually means in order to do these. But I'll walk you through it. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to try to break down everything inside the radical and figure out if you can make it so that one thing turns into two squares multiplied together, or something along those lines. So let's look at 32 first. Thinking of the perfect squares, we know there's 4, 32 is divisible by 4, there's 9, which doesn't work, but 16 here is the highest square that we can get out of it. So 32 is 16 times 2. So we've got 32 out of the way. We're just going to break these down and then we'll pull things out of the square root. So now let's look at t to the 8th. And remember that with exponents, you only have, since we're working with square roots, you just have to break it up into 2's basically. So t to the 8th is going to be t squared times t squared times t squared times t squared. That's really awful too. So 2, 4, 6, 8. We were done there. And then w to the 18th is going to be that 9 times. So I'm just going to put, well, w squared times w squared, w squared. There's 9 of those. I'm not going to write all of them out. So now we're going to go ahead and pull the perfect squares out, and we're going to square root them, write out the square root as we do. So the square root of 16 here is 4. So we're done with this. That's gone. 2 we don't have an even square root of, so we can't do that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 t squared, so we're going to pull out a t to the 4th, and that gets rid of all of these. And we have 9 w squares, so we're going to pull out a w to the 9th. So these are all gone. So now all that's left in our square root is 2. And this is your simplified radical expression.